Rules for writing a unit. Small letters are used for symbol of units and symbols are not followed by full stops. Example: meter, meter per second or meter per second, kg or second. Capital letters are used for the symbol of unit if it is on the name of any scientist, like Newton, symbol capital N; Kelvin, symbol capital K; Watt, symbol capital W. Third, symbols or unit are not expressed in plural forms. For example, 7 arc but not 7 arcs. Similarly, 5 meter but not write 5 meters. Fourth point, no more than one solidus is used in unit. 1 poise, 1 gram per second centimeter, or 1 gram per second centimeter, or 1 gram per second per centimeter, not 1 gram oblique second oblique centimeter. Now, system of unit. A complete set of unit, both fundamental and derived, for all kinds of physical quantity is called a system of unit. Every system of unit has its own fundamental unit. For example, CGS system, or it is also called Gaussian system of unit. In this unit, length is measured in centimeter cm, mass is measured in gram g, time is measured in second small s, and unit of force is joule, and work and energy is unit of work and energy is erg. Second, FPS system. In this unit, length is measured in foot, symbol Ft, mass is measured in pounds, symbol Lv, and time is measured in second, symbol small s. And in this unit of force is poundal. Third is FPS engineering system, and in this unit, fundamental units are like length is measured in foot, time is measured in second, and force. In this unit, force is a fundamental unit in place of mass, and force is measured in pound. And in this unit, that is FPS engineering system unit, mass is a derived unit. Mass is a derived fundamental quantity, derived quantity with unit slug, and 1 slug is equal to 14.59 kg. So these are some system of unit. Now we see the SI system of unit, MKS system of unit. MKS system of unit, and in this system, length is measured in meter. Length, times and mass are fundamental unit, and length is measured in meter, symbol small m. Time is measured in second, symbol s, and mass is measured in kilogram, symbol is kg. Some derived units in MKS system is force, power, work, and unit for force is Newton, which is also equal to kilogram meter per second square. The unit of power is watt or Newton per second. and unit of work is joule. Now the next is MKSA and MKSQ system of unit. In MKSA, current is considered as fundamental quantity with unit ampere, and in MKSQ, charge is considered fundamental quantity with unit coulomb. And next is the sixth, and MKS is another fundamental quantity and unit of MKSA, and MKSAQ are same as MKS. Now International System D unit, SI unit, or International System of Unit, SI unit. This unit was proposed in 1971, and in the International Bureau of Weight and Measures in Toronto State, and its French name is Les System International D unit, and it is extended form of MKS system. Here 7 fundamental quantities are used and 2 supplementary quantities are used. Now we see some fundamental quantities like length. Its unit is meter, symbol M. Second is mass, kilogram, symbol kg. Time, unit is second and symbol S. Next, electric current, unit is ampere, symbol capital A. Temperature, unit is Kelvin, symbol capital K. 6. Luminous intensity, unit is candela, symbol is CD. And amount of substance, unit is moles, symbol mole. And these 2 supplementary quantities are plane angle and solid angle. Plane angle with unit radian, symbol is rad, and solid angle unit asteradian, symbol SR.